So today I will draw Spider-Man once again. Last year I uploaded a video to my channel. Okay, I got it. Oh, Spider-Man, my favorite. So first draw the outline. Magic. It's done. But today I'm not going to use color here. I'm going to use ballpoint pen. So now let's jump on to my favorite part. Coloring. First start with the eye. I will make a base layer with a blue ball pen and then I will use a black ball pen to make it dark. Now make a shading inside by making a hatching line with a low pressure. Here small dots on the inside, so I will do it with a black ball pen. Now the second eye. First using indenting technique for highlighting, then do the same shading as before. Overdrawn, not a gold digger, nah. She here for all my flaws, we gon' make it to the top. She live in my section, I show she's reppin'. One look at her and you know I ain't second guessing. Never got me stressing, yeah she's a blessing. Look her body up. Okay, both my Spider-Man eyes are complete. Now use a red ball pen to color his face.
You're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue
I will first draw their lines.
as you fade away. As you fade away.
Then make the inside hexagons.
Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemistry.
And then shade with the red ball pen.
And I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray.
And lightly shadow with the black ball pen to make it little dark. Do the same for the rest.
I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really want.
For this method, perfect and sharp hexagons are very hard to make. And as I was making it, my hand started to hurt a lot. So now I will use indenting technique for make hexagon. The first with the indenting tool I don't have, but don't worry, I have an idea for it. I will create a hexagonal with the help of empty ballpoint pen. After drawing a hexagon, shading with a red ball pen. And darken the hexagons one by one with black ball pen. Do the same for the rest.
Smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
When making these hexagons, you have to make it with a lot of pressure. Even in this method, the hand feels very hot, but at the end, the result is very attractive. Here too, as before, one has to make hexagon. But here with the help of indenting line, the shape of hexagon are perfect and sharp, which you can see, and it is look absolutely perfect.
Can't tell, like nothing I found. My mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect.
Then slowly color the bottom of the face. Where there is more dark value, adjust the part as required by shading it with the help of black ball pen. No, my hand is in lot of pain now. See the indenting line of these hexagons. So let's eat something. Go back now. The face is done. Now color the throat and the lower part of it.
Sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. Standing right there.
Keep in the mind that the indenting technique should be used where there is a highlight.
About to kill me.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
It's complete. I hope you like it as much as I did. Enjoy the final result.
Sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. Standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know how you feel about this video and also comment below your suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.
You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.